first occurrence of Java with Python in every line. Okay. In the lines Java keyword is available. Wherever Java is available, I want to replace first occurrence of Java with Python in every line. Java is a programming language. Java is free. Okay. Java is open source. Java is easy. I want to learn Java. Java is having good demand in the market. So in every line Java keyword is available. I want to replace Java with Python. For that we can use sed command. How to do that? Let's observe. Sed command I am using in order to do the substitution. So you can see the file data very clearly. Java is available. Wherever Java is available, I want to replace with the Python. Sed s/Java. In the Java place, I want to keep Python. In the Java place, I want to keep Python in the data.txt. Now you see here. So I have given lowercase Java. So it considered wherever lowercase Java is available, it is replacing that with the Python. Earlier it is saying Java is free. Now it is saying Python is free. Java is open source. Python is open source. I want to learn Java. I want to learn Python. Java is having good demand in the market. Python is having good demand in the market. Are we able to perform the substitution? Are we able to perform the substitution? Come on, guys. Sed command. Sed command we are using to replace first occurrence of the Java keyword with the Python keyword in the every line. So this is the command we have executed. So can we do this operation by using vi command? No. Vi is a editor to modify the file data. But my requirement is I want to substitute one keyword with the another keyword. So for that I'm using sed command. I want to replace the Java keyword with the Python keyword. It is going to replace only first occurrence, guys. Let me show you what is the meaning of first occurrence. Okay, vi data.txt. So let me keep this also as Java. Java is a insert mode. Java is a programming language. I want to learn Java. Java is having good demand in the market. Java is having good demand in the market. Java is book based and Java is easy. So in the last line, Java is available in two places. Okay. Java occurred 2 times in the last line. Let us see the behavior of this command now. So let me use Java/Python. Now, so here, wherever Java is available, replace it with Python. But in the last line, Java available 2 times, but it replaced only 1 time. That means whatever the command we are using, this is going to replace only first occurrence of the Java with the Python. In the last line, Java occurred 2 times. Second occurrence is not replaced. Only first occurrence is replaced. Do you understand what is the meaning of replacing first occurrence of Java with the Python in every line? In the line, first time where Java is available, first occurrence of Java is replaced with the Python. Second occurrence of the Java is not replaced. Are you able to follow me? Are you guys able to follow me? What is the meaning of that? Are you able to follow me? What is the meaning of that? Then I want to replace second occurrence of Java with Python in the every. What is the meaning of yes? I will explain that. Be patient. Okay. Yeah. So with this command, what we have done, we are able to replace first occurrence of Java with the Python. So when we are going for replacing second occurrence of Java with the Python, now for the same command, I'm going to supply /2. When I give /2, it is going to replace second occurrence of Java with Python in every line. If you don't pass any number, then it will consider that as first occurrence of Java will be replaced with Python in every line. If you give /2, then it will replace second occurrence of Java with Python in every line. Let's try this option. Now you see in the last line, Java is available 2 times. Okay. Now execute the same command. /2. I'm passing /2 data.txt. Now you see wherever Java occurred second time, that will be replaced with the Python. In these lines, Java available only one time. So first occurrence is not replaced, only second occurrence is replaced with the Python. Are you able to understand the difference between the first command and the second command? Are you able to understand the difference? Here, yes means substitute, guys. People are asking what is yes, what is yes. Yes is a substitute. We are replacing Java keyword with the Python keyword. Yes means substitute. Okay. So you see here, I am having some lines of data. Java is a programming language. Java is free. Java is open source. Java is easy. I want to learn Java. Java is having good demand in market. Java is OOP based. Okay. Java is easy. Right. So I have these lines of data in a file. Now what is my requirement? Wherever Java keyword is available, I want to replace this keyword with the Python. Can I call it as a substitute now? Can I call it as a substitute? Wherever the Java is available, I want to substitute with the Python. Are you clear? Are you clear? Wherever Java is available, I want to substitute with the Python. So if you execute a command like this will substitute Java keyword with the Python keyword for the first occurrence only. That means, so if you see here, my file is available, cat space data.txt. Guys, be focused. Be focused. It's very important. So I have a file with a name called data, cat data.txt. File data is printing from top to bottom. So in these lines, if you see file data along with the line number -n data.txt, there are 7 lines of data available in the file. In the 6 lines, Java occurred only one time. In the 7th line, Java is occurred 2 times. Are you clear with my point? I'm repeating. There are 7 lines of data available in the file. Up to 6 lines, Java keyword is available at only one time. In the 7th line, Java is available at 2 places. So this is called first occurrence in the line. Second line also first occurrence. Third line first occurrence. Fourth line. Fifth line first occurrence. Sixth line first occurrence. Seventh line first occurrence and second occurrence. In the 7th line, Java keyword is available at 2 places. That means for Java, 2 occurrences available. Now, whenever we use sed command, sed /s/java /python space data.txt. What is the meaning of that, guys? Wherever Java is available, substitute with the Python. Just so don't, someone is asking, sir, this is a DevOps course now. Why are you using Java? This is a text, man. Text can be anything. So don't consider we are learning Java or Python. We are learning sed command. Okay. Are you guys clear? What is the purpose of this command? Sed command, substitute Java with the Python. If I execute this command, what will happen? In every line, it is going to substitute Java with the Python in the first occurrence. In every line, Java will be substituted with the Python in the first occurrence. Now execute this command. So in all the 6 lines, Java is substituted with the Python. In the 7th line, at one place it is substituted, in the second place not substituted. So what is the meaning of this command? It is used to substitute Java keyword with the Python keyword, the first occurrence in every line. Are you clear with my point? Are you guys clear with the first command? Replace first occurrence of Java with the Python in every line. Substitute first occurrence. Instead of replace, I can give substitute. Yes meaning is substitute. Suppose in every line, I want to substitute second occurrence of Java with the Python. Okay. So then if you give s/java/python/2, in every line, second occurrence of Java keyword will be substituted with the Python keyword. Are you clear? Now you got the clarity. Now you got the clarity. What is the substitution? First occurrence and second occurrence. Now, I want to substitute Prashant. Please concentrate, man. This is going to replace first occurrence. This is going to replace the second occurrence. This will substitute the first occurrence of Java. This will substitute the second occurrence of the Java. Okay, in the last line, Java available at two places. That's why only first occurrence is replaced, second occurrence is not replaced. If you want to replace only second occurrence, then /2. So in every line, Java is available as it is. In the last line, second occurrence is replaced. Similarly, can we replace third occurrence only? Can we replace only third occurrence? Yes. /3 if you give, then third occurrence will be replaced. Replace third occurrence of Java with Python in every line. Okay. First occurrence, second occurrence, it will skip. Only third occurrence it is going to replace. Now I want to replace all occurrences of Java in all the lines. Replace all occurrences of Java with Python in every line. If Java available one time, replace with Python. 2 times replace, 3 times, any number of times you replace. So if you want to substitute all the occurrences of Java with Python /G. If you give /G, then it is going to substitute at the global level, global occurrence. Global occurrences will be replaced. So wherever Java is available, that will be substituted with the Python. Now, can you see here? Can you see here? /G I am passing now. First occurrence replaced with the Python. Second occurrence also replaced with the Python. But when you execute this sed command, original file is modified. My original file is not modified. When I execute sed command, is it replacing the data in the original file or it is just displaying output on the terminal? Now you observe. My file is available cat data.txt. In the data.txt, only Java is available. Now let me execute sed command. Sed s Java. Now everything, wherever Java keyword available, substituted with the Python by using sed command. After sed command, let me execute cat command again. Now my original file is modified or my original file is not modified. My original file is modified. My original file is not modified, guys. My original file is not modified. It is just processing the data and printing the output on the terminal. It is just processing the data, printing the output on the terminal. Now, whatever the substitution I am doing, I want to save the changes in the original file also. So when you use sed command normally like this, it is just processing the data and printing output on the terminal. If you want to save your changes in the original file, then for the same command, you need to pass -i as a input. If you use -i, it will make the changes permanently in the file. Okay. If you execute this just sed command, changes will not happen in the original file. Just output will be printed on the terminal. I want to make the changes in the original file also. Then I need to pass -i option. If I pass -i option, then that original file also will be modified. Now let's try this. Cat data.txt file is printing. Now let me execute sed command by passing -i. So wherever Java is there, replace with Python and make the changes in the original file also. Now when I pass -i, output is not coming, but check the file now. Before sed command, my file having Java keyword. After sed command with I, my file is having Python keyword. Are we able to make the changes permanently in the file now? Are we able to make the changes permanently in the file now by using sed command? Are you able to understand how to make the changes in the file permanently? Yeah, someone is asking, why are you executing clear command every time? Okay, just to clear the screen, there is no reason for that, guys. So if I'm keep on executing the commands, so people will get confused. That's why I'm executing clear command, so that every time fresh command will be executed. Fresh command will be executed. Are you able to understand the point? Sed command, substitute option. Now, so in order to do this substitution, am I opening the file? Without opening the file, I am performing the operations. Am I opening the file, or without opening the file, I'm doing the operation now? Yes. Without opening the file, we are performing the operation. So that is what I have explained here. Sed stands for stream editor. It is used to process the data, like substitutions you can do, delete you can do, insert we can do by using sed. Using sed command, we can perform operations on the file without opening the file also. This is very powerful command in the Linux, which is used for processing the data. Okay, create a file with below data. Create a file with below data to practice sed command. Okay, I have created one file with below data. Then I have executed these commands. Very good. Fine. Now let me edit the file vi data.txt. So now everything is available as Python. Go to insert mode. Let me give some line numbers for the file. Okay. Now I want to delete particular line in the file. Without opening the file, I want to delete particular line in the file. By using sed command, we can do that operation also. We are able to substitute the data. Similarly, we can delete the data also in the file using sed command. Okay. S means substitute, G means global. Okay, good. Yeah, cat data.txt. Now everything is available as Python. Okay, next. Now I want to delete. Now I want to delete fourth line in the file. Python is easy. I want to delete the fourth line in the file. So let us see how to delete the fourth line. Sed command 4d. Fourth line I want to delete in the data.txt. Now you see fourth line is not printing. Fourth line is going to delete. So when I execute just cat command with data.txt, there are 7 lines available. There are 7 lines available. The 7 lines are printing. Okay. Then when I execute sed command 4d, then what is happening here? Fourth line is not print. Mr. Purnachandra Rao, in the last session, we discussed around 20 minutes about what is VI command. Again, you are asking what is VI. VI is a visual editor which is used to edit the files in the lines. Guys, did I explain VI command in the last class? I have given the notes also about VI command. Again, people are asking what is VI command in the lines. VI is an editor which is used to modify the files. Guys, please don't test my patience. Okay. Whatever the concepts I have explained, again you are asking the same question. What is VI? What someone is asking, what is cat command? I'm also a human being, guys. I'm not a robot. Please don't test my patience. Okay, please concentrate on the class and understand. I'm giving the notes also. Whatever I have discussed in the class, everything I'm typing in the notes. You can use that notes and you can do the practice before coming to the next session. The people who did not practice the last two classes, they will not understand. So that's why don't miss the classes. Attend the classes regularly. How to download the class notes. I have given a separate video on that part, how to download the class notes. In Ashok IT website, you need to join for Linux course. Then you will get the class notes. Okay. That is free of cost only. Right, good. So I want to delete particular line in the line X. So for that, what is the command we are using? 4D. What is the meaning of a 4D in the line X, guys? What is the meaning of 4D in the line X? Fourth line will be deleted in the file. Now you see, after third line, directly fifth line is printing, fourth line is not printing. It will be deleted because of this is set command. But with this set command with 4D, line will be deleted permanently in the file, or just it is printing the output on the terminal. The line is deleted in the original file. The line is not deleted in the original file. The line is not deleted in the original file. Cat data.txt. In the file, the line is available as it is. But here, if I use 4D, fourth line is missing. How to delete that line from the file also? Can you type the command in the chat box? I want to delete the fourth line from the file permanently. Can you tell me how to do that? Can you tell me how to do that? I want to delete that file permanently. Can you please type the command in the chat box? If I execute that command, that line should be deleted from the file permanently. How can I do that? Okay. Simply we need to pass -I option. That's it. Very good. So if you use sed command 4D before that -I, now command is executed, then cat data.txt. Now you see fourth line is deleted from the file. Okay. Now I want to delete last line of the file. Now if you see the file cat data.txt 1, 2, 3, fourth line is not there, 5, 6, 7 is available. I want to delete last line in the file. In order to delete the last line in the file, $D. When you use the $D, last line will be deleted. Now you check it. Seventh line is also deleted. Seventh line is also deleted. Are you getting my point? So you can delete the particular line based on the line number. You can delete the last line also. This is used to delete last line of the file. This is used to delete fourth line of the file. Okay. Delete fourth line of the file. Delete last line of the file. I want to delete the data from the third line to the last line. From the line number 3 to till the end, I want to delete. How to write a command for that? Delete from the nth line number to the last line. I want to delete from the third line to the last line. Then you need to pass 3, $D. Okay. So let me execute clear so that console will be clear for you. Yeah. Now here if you pass 3, $D from the third line till the last line, it is going to delete. From the last line from the third line till the last line, it is going to delete. Now execute. Cat data.txt. Now 1, 2. Only 2 lines available. From third line, everything is deleted. Okay. Similarly, I want to delete from second line to fifth line. Okay, let me create the file again with the data. Are you guys clear with this command? This is used to delete from third line to the last line. Okay, delete the data from third line to last line. Delete data from third line to last line. Okay, suppose if you want to delete the data from fifth line to the 10th line. Okay, delete the data from fifth line to 10th line only, not last. Okay, then you are going to pass a command 5, 10D. From line number 5 to line number 10, it will be deleted. If you pass $D, it represents last line. Okay. If you pass just 4D, it will delete only fourth line. If you pass $D, it will delete last line. If you want to delete from particular line number to the last line, 3, $D. So then it will delete from third line to the last line. I want to delete delete operations by using set command. We have done substitute operations and we have done delete operations also in the file. Substitute operations and delete operations we have done on the file. I hope you are clear with this set command, substitute operations and delete operations. Substitute operations and delete operations on the file. Now I created file again, cat data.txt. Now you see that there are 7 lines of data is available. Let me use set command for that. 3 comma $d. From third line, everything will be deleted. Only first 2 lines available. Only first 2 lines of data is available for. Are you guys clear with my point? Are you guys clear with my point? Are you able to understand? Look at this. Look at this command for delete. Deleting 4th line directly, deleting last line directly, deleting 3rd line to the last line, deleting from 5th line to 10th line by using set command. So now we have done 2 operations by using set. One is substitute operation, another one is delete operation. Now we can do the printing also. I want to print all the lines which contains a Python keyword, like how we have done by using grep command, right? Grep command is for content search in the file. Same thing can be done by using sed command. Mr. Sandeep Manda, please stop your camera. Yeah. So I want to do the print. I want to print the content based on the particular keyword. Okay. Now I want to print all the lines which contains Python keyword. Okay. Print all the lines which contains Python keyword. For that we will use sed command /python/p print it, which is available in the data.txt. So if you use yes, S means substitute, D means delete, P means print. So in this data.txt, which lines contains a Python keyword, print those lines of data. Sed command we are using for that. But currently there are 2 lines available, vi data.txt. These 2 lines contains Java keyword. Let me make some changes to the file. Python is easy. Python is scripting language. Okay. DevOps is having good demand. AWS is cloud platform. Okay. Now I have written some lines of data. Some lines contains Java. Some lines contains Python. One line contains DevOps. One line contains AWS. Right. Now I want to print the data, the lines which contains only Python keyword. Sed /python/p space data.txt. Okay. Java, Python is easy. Python. What happens to this? Sed command /python/pre. Print all the lines which contains a Python keyword. Okay. Cat data.txt. Java is a programming language. Java is free. Python is easy. Python is scripting language. DevOps. Sed command Python/p data.txt. Whatever the Python is available, it copying that data. Every line is duplicated. The Python is easy line is duplicated. Python is scripting language, it is duplicated. Let me do this. Python/d. Yeah. /d Python means this is used to delete the lines which contains a Python keyword, but printing, it is printing 2 times lines. I need to check it once. Python /p, it should print all the lines which contain Python keyword, but actually it is duplicating. It is duplicating. Yeah. Now, so this command I am using set python /d/data.txt. So this command, which is used to delete all the lines which contains Python keyword. So delete all the lines which contains Python keyword. So in whichever the line Python keyword is available, that line of data will be deleted from the file. Now let's go here. Cat data.txt. Now here Java 2 lines available, Python 2 lines available, DevOps AWS available. When I use Python/d, only the 2 lines which contains Python keyword is not printed. The remaining 4 lines are printed. Out of 6 lines, 4 lines printed. These 2 lines are not printed because of Python/d. It is used to delete the lines which contains Python keyword. Okay, and so we have another option, guys. When you go for cat command, what is happening with the cat command? What is happening with the cat command? All the lines are printed from top to bottom. When you use a head command, first 10 lines will be printed. I have a requirement. I want to print the data from 3rd line to 6th line only. I want to print the data from 3rd line to 6th line only. Print data from 3rd line to 6th line in the Linux. For that, we can go for sed command. How to do this by using sed command, guys? Sed command -n to print the line numbers. Okay, 3, 6p. 3, 6p means from 3rd line to 6th line data only printed. If you use a cat command, it will print everything available in the file from top to bottom. If you use a head command, first 10 lines will be printed. But my requirement is, I want to print the data from 3rd line to 6th line only. 3, 6p. From 3rd line to 6th line data only it is going to print. Now you check this one. Okay, in the file there are 6 lines of data is available. Then, sorry. I'm deleting this. So in the file there are 6 lines available. Sed command -n 3, 6p. 3, 6p, then data.txt. Now you see this one, 3, 6p. Okay, from the 3rd line till end of the line, everything is printed because there are 6 lines of data available. Suppose if I use 3, 4p, then only 3rd line and 4th line is printed. From 3rd line to 4th line only I want to print the data. So like this, if you have some special requirement when we want to read the file data, then you can go for sed command. And similarly, you can use insert also by using sed command. Okay, you can substitute, you can print, you can delete, and you can insert also. Insert the data before 4th line. Okay, add the data after the last line. Add the data after the last line, or add the data before the particular line number also can be done. By using sed command, we are able to substitute, we are able to print, we are able to delete, and we can insert also without opening the file. We are able to insert also before opening, without opening the file, we can insert the data also. Okay, now line 1, 2, 3, 4. You can check it, the lines which are available. Cat data.txt. Okay, Java is programming language, Java is free, Python is easy, Python is a scripting language. Now 4 lines available, 4 lines, 5 lines, 5th line available. So insert the data before 4th line. Okay, to insert the data before the 4th line, this is the command. Insert the data before the 4th line in the Linux. for I. Before the fourth line, I means insert, guys. I am from Ashok IT. I want to insert this line before the fourth line in the data.txt. For I means insert before fourth line. What data you want to insert? I am from Ashok IT. Now take this command and execute. Sed command for I am from Ashok IT. Now you see, this was fourth line. Python is scripting language. Before this fourth line, I am from Ashok IT line is insert. So for I means insert before the fourth line slash the text that you want to insert in which file. In the data.txt file, before fourth line, I want to insert the text called I am from Ashok IT. Okay. I want to add the text after the last line. If you want to add the text after the last line, that is also possible by using sed command. Add the text after the last line. Okay. This is the command which is used to add the text at the last, after the last line. Add the text at the last line. Currently, what is our last line? Cat data.txt. Last line is AWS Cloud Platform and one empty space is also available in that, right? Then I'm going to use this command to insert one line after the last line. What is that? $A represents after the last, after all. I love Linux. In the data.txt file, at the bottom, I want to add one line. I love Linux. You can insert at particular index also by using this one. Now, let me execute this command. Sed command $A. I love Linux data.txt. Now you see, AWS is cloud platform. After this last line, one space, that is also one line, one empty line. After that, we have added I love Linux. This command is used to add the data at the end of the file. If you want to insert the data at the end of the file, then you can use this sed command. Sed stands for stream editor. This is all about sed command in the Linux. In the last session, we have seen vi command, that is for editing the file. Today, we have seen sed command, which is used to process the file. You can do substitutions, you can do replacement, you can do insert, you can do print, you can do retrieval, you can do insert also by using this sed command. Sed stands for stream editor. It is used to process the data. Okay, substitute, delete, insert. Using sed command, we can perform operations on the file without opening the file. Sed is very powerful command in the Linux operating system. Okay, create a file with below data to practice sed command. Right. Substitute first occurrence of the Java with Python by using this sed command. Then replace the second occurrence of Java with Python with this command. Replace third occurrence of Java with Python using this command. If you want to replace all occurrences, then /g. If you want to save the changes, whatever the substitution you are doing, if you want to save the changes in the original file, -i if you use, the changes will happen in the original file. If you want to delete particular line number by using sed command, this is the option. If you want to delete the last line, then $D. From third line to last line, 3, $D we are using. If you want to delete the data from 5th line to 10th line, sed-i 5, $10D. Only from 5th line to 10th line data will be deleted. 3, $D from third line to last line, data will be deleted. If you want to print all the lines which contains Python keyword, this command. If you want to delete all the lines which contains Python keyword, /d. Print the data from third line to 6th line, 3, 6p. If you give 10, 20p, 10th line to 28th line data only will be printed. For I, insert the data before fourth line. Insert the data at the fourth index next. Insert the data at fourth line. Okay. Whatever is available in the fourth line, it will come down. This new data will come to the fourth index. Add the data at last. Add given text after the last line. Add the given text at the end of the file. Add the given text at end of the file. Add given text at end of the file. By using this sed command we are doing. Are you clear with my point? Are you guys clear with my point? If you use -i, then only it will save. Otherwise, it will not save the changes in the file. Are you clear with sed command? Are you clear with the sed command? Perfect. Next one. Let us see the commands that we have practiced as of now. One more command that we have learnt. Sed command, very lengthy command, guys. Sed command we discussed, which is stream editor. Sed command nothing but stream editor command, which is used to process the data. You can perform what kind of operations we can perform by using sed command, guys? Can you tell me? What kind of operations you can perform by using sed command? Can you tell me? What kind of operations we can perform using sed command? Can you tell me that? Only substitute, substitute, retrieve, insert, delete. Print, insert, retrieve, delete. These operations we can perform by using sed command. Next concept, another important concept. Okay, so before that, let us see the commands we have discussed. 22 commands we have seen: set, vi, grep, tail, head, history, word count, compare, diff, cp, rev, tag, cat, mv, rm, touch, ls, cd, pwd, cal, date, vmi. Next one, in the Linux, there is another text processing command is available, which is called awk. There is another text processing command is available. How we are using sed command to process that file data? Similarly, we have one command called awk command is available. AWK stands for Abstract Window Toolkit command. Abstract Window Toolkit command is available. This is text processing tool in the Linux. How we are using sed command to process the data in the text file. Same thing can be done by using another command called awk command. Okay, it is allowing to manipulate and extract data from the files, guys. If you have a file with some rows and columns, okay, then you can extract the data from the structured text file. This awk command will take the input and it will process the data line by line based on the rule that we are going to give. How we are going to execute the awk command? AWK pattern and what action you want to perform and which file you want to perform. So let me take some data. Let me create one file with the data and let me show you how to use how to use AWK command to do the data processing. Already we used the set command. Now I want to do that by using AWK command. So all the text files available. Let me go for rm star.txt. What is the meaning of rm star.txt? File name can be anything. If it is a .txt, then I want to delete that file. Okay. rm star.txt. All the text files are deleted. All the text files got deleted. Currently, no text file is available in this mesh. Let me create one file, cat employees.txt. Cat employees.txt. I want to create the file with the data. No file available to print. Cat arrow right operation. I want to create the a file employees.txt by using below employees data. Ashok, manager, accounts department, salary. Employee name, employee role, employee department, employee salary. So can I say this data is structured data now? Can I say this data is structured data now? Employee name is available, employee department is available, employee role is available, and employee salary is also available. Name, designation, department, salary. So like this, there are several employees available. Now I want to process this data based on some pattern. I want to process this data based on some pattern. If I use AWK command print employees.txt. So if I use this AWK print option, it is printing everything available in the file. It is printing everything in the file. That you can do by using cat command also, no problem. But my requirement is print the data, print employees data who are belongs to manager. Okay. So here employees available, name available, role available, department available, salary available. So I want to print these employees. I want to print these employees who are belongs to manager. Okay, guys. Then how can we print the employees belongs to manager? AWK command /manager. I want to print that data. I want to print that data belongs to this file. Now only manager's data is printed. Okay. This command is going to print only the employees having manager role in this text file. Same thing can be done by using sed command also. You can print the data. Okay. You can print the data by using sed command also. This is more advanced processing command in the Linux guys, AWS. Okay. This is more advanced processing command in the Linux. Okay. Good. So I'm creating one file with the employees.txt. In that file, I'm storing all the employees data, name, department, role, salary. Okay. Then if I execute a command without any input, directly print, then it is printing all the data available in the file. So when I use AWK manager print, it is printing the employees belongs to manager role. Similarly, I want to print the data from line number 1 to line number 4. That also can be done. AWK command I am printing, AWK command I am using to print the data from $1 comma $4. Okay. Then $1 comma $4 nothing but first column data, fourth column data it is printing. Column numbers I am giving here. Okay, I want to print the data which is belongs to first column, employee name. Second column is designation. Third column is department. Fourth column is salary. Okay, 1 comma 4 I want to print. Name and salary only I want to print in the file. This is my structured data. When you have a file with structured data, when you have a file which is having structured data, when you have a file with the structured data, then in order to when we have to process this, then we can go for AWK command. Employees data is available, employee name, employee department, designation, role, department, salary. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns available in the data. I want to get the first column data and the last column data. Then we can go for AWK command like this, which is printing the data. $1 comma dollar. First column data and fourth column data only it is printing. Now you see, first column is name of the employee, fourth column is salary of the employee. Name of the employee and salary of the employee we are printing. And print NR comma $0. NR comma $0. Okay, so I'm printing all the lines along with the line numbers by using this NR comma $0. Everything is printing along with the line number. NR hyphen $1 I want to print. Okay, so this one numeric numbering I am giving. I'm printing the first column data by using numeric number. 1 Ashok, 2 John, 3 Smith. So this is the format. Numeric numbers, line numbers I am giving. After the line number I am adding hyphen, then first column data I am printing. So this command is printing only employee names along with some line numbers. Okay, printing line numbers along with the first column. First column is name of the employee. So if you want to do such kind of data processing, on the structured data, very clearly rows and columns available, then in order to process that data, we can use AWK command. Are you clear? Are you guys clear with my point? What is AWK command? This will print all the lines of data. Print all the data of the file. Print entire file data. Okay. Print entire file data. Print only manager role data. Okay. Print first column and fourth column data. Print first and fourth columns data. Print first and fourth columns data. Okay, so this is print only print the file data along with the line numbers. Print file data with the line numbers. Okay, then next one, print file data. Print first column data along with the line number. Print first column data along with the line number. And hyphen. So 1 hyphen name, 2 hyphen name, 3 hyphen name. So this is the file which is having the data, names available. Okay, I want to print only name along with the line number. 1 hyphen name, 2 hyphen John, 3 hyphen Smith. Instead of hyphen, you can give anything. 1 at the rate also. If I give 1 at the rate, then it will print line number at the rate name. So instead of hyphen, if I give at the rate, then it will print 1 at the rate Ashok, 2 at the rate John, 3 at the rate Smith line. So it is used to append some text while printing the first column data. It is appending some text while printing the first column data. So this sed command and AWK commands are used to process the data. Sed command and AWK commands are used to process the sed means stream editor, AWK means abstract window toolkit command in the Linux. These are used for advanced data processing in the Linux. These are used for advanced data processing in the Linux. They are also called as filters commands in the Linux. Sed command and AWK command are also called as filter commands in the Linux. They are used to filter the data available in the file. They are used to filter the data available in the file. Are you clear with my point? Are you guys clear with my point? Just look at the AWK command once again, guys. Initially, it may be a little confusing, but if you practice, then you will get the clarity. Come on. What is NR? NR represents total record number. NR represents number, guys. What is NR in the AWK command? NR represents total record number. So when I give record number, so it will give the record number for the data of the file. So if you use just print command, then AWK command is just printing the file data. AWK, then I'm just using print lines. Then data.txt. Sorry, not AWS. It is AWK. I'm using AWK print data.txt. It is just printing the file data. AWK print, no such file or directory. ls-employees, sorry. AWK command employees.txt. It is printing all the employees data. When I am printing the employees data, I want to print a number, record number. This is the first record, this is second record, third record, fourth record, like this. I want to print the data along with the number. So to print the data along with the number, what is the command I am using? Print the data by using record number comma $0. That means print the complete line data along with the record number. Now you see the record number is printed 1, 2, 3, 4. The sequence number is printing for the rows. NR represents number, record number. Clear? Good. Look at this. AWK. AWK command is a versatile text processing tool available in the Linux. It will allow you to manipulate and extract data from the structured text files, usually in the columnar format. If any data is available in the rows and columns format, then in order to process that data, you can use AWK command. Okay. So this is AWK syntax, pattern, and action. So I'm creating a file with employees data. Then I'm using AWK command to print entire file data. If you want to print only manager data, then this is the pattern and this is the action. Print only manager data. Print $1 comma $4. So in this, there are 4 columns available. $1 comma $4 means it will print only first and fourth columns data in the file. Employee name and employee salary will be printed from the file. Print NR comma $0. NR represents record number. So give the record number and print that record data by using $0. $0 means complete record data. Okay. Print NR $1. For the record number, add and print first column data. 1 employee name, 2 employee name. Like that data will be printed. Like that data number will be printed by appending. Print first column data along with the line number by appending . That's it. AWK and sed commands, they are used to process the data. Sed stands for stream editor. It is used to process the data. Substitution, deletion, insertion can be done by using sed command. AWK, when your data is in the form of rows and columns, it is called structured data. To do some processing on the structured files, then you can use this AWK command. If you do practice once, then you will get better clarity on that base, because first time you are listening to these commands in the Linux operating system. Sed command and AWK command. Sed command and AWK commands in the Linux. Are you clear? Yeah. So these are the commands that we have discussed. So these two commands, little confusing commands, guys. Sed commands and AWK commands. So I have given the notes step by step, all the commands along with the syntax and description. Please practice this sed command and AWK command proper. The next topic in the Linux, how to work with user accounts in the Linux. Okay, user management, guys. How to work with user accounts in the Linux? Very important concept in the Linux machine. How to work with users, how to work with groups in the Linux machine. Okay. In the tomorrow session, we are going to discuss about user management in the Linux. Okay. The topic name is user and groups management. Users and groups. This is the topic for the tomorrow session. This is very advanced topic. Actually, this topic will be covered in the Linux administration course, guys. But for the DevOps people, this topic is very important. Users and groups management in the Linux. In the tomorrow's class, we are going to understand this part. Don't miss the tomorrow session. Okay. So today we discussed just two commands, guys. One is sed command. Another one is AWK command. They are used to process the data. So please practice those commands before coming to tomorrow session. Don't miss tomorrow's class. Tomorrow class is very important in the Linux. Users and groups management. How to create users in the Linux machine. So I told you Linux is multi-user based operating system. How to create multiple users. How multiple users can access one Linux machine at a time. All those things we are going to learn in the tomorrow's class. Thank you, guys. I will upload these notes in the website. So please download these notes and do the practice. Let me upload these notes in our website. A single file, guys. So every day I'm not uploading a new file. A single file I'm uploading for the complete Linux, which is Linux running notes file. So if you log in into Ashok IT website, then you can see Linux course. You can enroll for that. There you can see the running notes of the Linux. So all these things you can download from there. Whatever the notes I'm preparing, you can download that notes from our website. Could you please check it and confirm? Are you able to download the notes for today? Could you please check it and confirm? Are you able to download the notes for today? Yeah, notes is uploaded successfully in the website. Whatever we discussed till today. Okay, thank you, guys. We'll see you in the tomorrow session. Tomorrow we'll work on user management in the Linux. Still, there are so many commands available. We just discussed around 23 to 24 commands only, right? 100 plus commands we are going to learn in this course. Just we discussed 23 commands. Okay.
Recording stopped.
Yeah, anyone who want the backup videos of this course, I will give the link for the backup videos enrollment. It is just 499 rupees for the backup